Dr. Kelly Cooks, this is part 2 of my banana bread. I just want to actually show you what I'm doing. So I creamed the butter and sugar together, and again, the screaming of my children will just have to be ignored because they're playing in the tubby and there's nothing that can be done about that. So I creamed together the butter and the sugar, and now I'm just gonna add a couple more ingredients here. Oh, it's so loud. 2 eggs. Let's see if I even have 2 eggs in here. The time is ticking. Look at that! Whoop! Okay, so I quickly add my 2 eggs, and what I like to do is just put the eggs back in the container. Can anyone even hear me over all of that kerfuffle happening? Ooh, I stuck my finger in the flour. You know what? I feel like this is going to be a 3-part video series, and I'm not sure anyone's going to watch all 3, but I really want to show you this. I put in the eggs, and they're beautiful, by the way. They're bright yellow. I buy the ones that don't live in cages. We'll see if that actually means anything. And then I'm going to cream these, and then I'm going to back and make